Good morning, everybody. It rained. Do a cold start, and then we'll go. Alright, so gotta take the GMC to Honest One, the ones who looked at the 300. It's gonna cost me $187 for them to kind of figure out some of the codes. Hopefully it'll be something simple and we can get rid of it. And then I've got time to make with Chris to have him help me with the crap, it's early. I need caffeine. I have none. Okay, to the store.
2 hours later.
Alright. This car mode. That's cool. There's the GMC. And then the Envoy, the SLT. Start it up. And see, no knocks, nothing. Got one little rip. Power windows work. Back windows both work. I have to fix that. Here. Move that back up. Doesn't smoke. No knocks. No rattles. Headlights work. It's just got a bad sensor somewhere. I think this would be an easy fix once I figure out what's wrong with it. Yeah, a little bit of stuff here and there. No worries. Alright. So, the only thing wrong with it is the sensor not wanting to go. So we're gonna adjust the mirrors. Adjust the mirror. This here has memory seats. So it'll get up to about 30 and then it starts getting pissy. See? Nothing. But funny enough, if figure out what's wrong with it. I may already have it sold. One of my stepdad's friends is looking for an SUV for the kids, so I may have this thing sold before I even worry about it. So that'd be cool. It's working good. Doesn't overheat. Battery's about right. 14. Oil pressure's good. It's all good. Turn signal's working. Just the sensor. 266, 279. I think this could be a good seller. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Later this thing, but sunroof works. Beautiful. Pops up like that. Hell yeah. God, I'm hoping this thing is going to be something easy enough to fix, because I mean, brakes are great, all the windows roll down, it's quiet. Yeah, I'm honestly hoping that it's just a couple of sensors that need to be replaced, causing everything to go bad. So that's kind of my hope, because if I can do that, I'll turn around and sell this all day long for about 25. If it's something I don't want to fix, if that guy wants to buy it as is, I'm gonna put it for 16. I'll still double my money. It'll be worth it.
Much later.
Alright, back to the Dodge. But first, let's take a second for this. Let's appreciate this. It's a clean ass car. Woohoo! Alright. So I gotta get the keys. The invoice over there. Oh yeah. And gotta respect the Lancer. So alright, gonna go in and get the keys. Yep. And then the part, and then yep. Yeah, and then and then Alright, so Matthew's got the box.
Yep, it's a struggle.
Yeah, go on, Matthew. One box is almost as big as you.
Oh, shut up.
He's my box boy today.
I'm almost as tall as the box.
I know, that's what I said.
Okay, I need to reposition myself.
Right.
There.
After I get this done, start working on this. Take this up to Chris and have them figure out the clutch. And then I can sell that. I can sell this. I actually got 2 buyers already for this one, so not bad. But respect the interior, dude. I need a F.
Hold on, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm your box boy.
You're my box boy?
Yes.
Alright. You may have to prop it. Yeah, you may have to lay it up on top of the seat. There you go. That works. Alright, close it down. Okay. So, no check engine light. It went out, which is a good thing. 266, 292 on the odometer. I gotta finish cleaning up this little stuff here and there. What the hell is this? Some kind of antenna for an alarm, maybe? Alright, I'll mess with that later. Yep, a little bit of details here and there, but appreciate the sunroof. Yeah. I don't know, everybody. We may be in luck. This thing is actually shifting pretty nice now. So I think doing the Cadillac converter will actually make a difference, because I mean it's chugging a little bit, but not terrible. I may be in a good position to make a little bit of cash on this one. So we'll see. I don't know though. I mean it's idling good. It shifts okay. It's got heated seats. I mean, appreciate that. Stereo's gotta be something I gotta figure out. I gotta fix that lock, and then over there, the window.
Oh crap!
Oh, there it goes. I think it was just unlocked because I unlocked one. But the back windows, they stick. So that'll be something I gotta fix. All right, quit playing with it. Don't break it.
Yeah, I know.
But to appreciate this. Listen.
That's cool.
I think we may be in luck.
Yeah, I think so.
So we get a chance to look at it. Muffler. Another big ass muffler. And then the cat is right there. But it's all the way up into there. So we're just gonna cut it here and here and put the other one on. Yeah. Oh, pretty clean under here. No that. Alright, got the cat done with the traffic, and we'll just see if this thing actually feels any better. Holy shit. That's 100% better. Wow.
That's what it was then.
Damn!
Time to clean this thing up
And then sell it.
Sell it.
We already got a couple people looking at it, so.
I mean, this thing, wow, that's way better.
Yeah.
Daryl's Economy Muffler in Portland. Check him out, dude.
Oh, wait, hold on. I have a card, so if you want to check them out, there's the address. There's the address if you want to check it out. Just pause the video.
No lights, no nothing, everything is good.
Everything is perfect.
Time to clean it up and ship it off.
Yep.
GMC Envoy SLT, ready to roll. Shit, tires are practically brand new. See the bath, clean it all up, fix a couple little things. Gotta get some glue for here, but it's not too major. Huh? For what?
I'm gonna show them why you need the glue.
Oh, they already saw before.
Oh,
A sticky there.
I want to show it, the way it sounds like now.
We just did. You can give it a rub. My gosh, you have to get on the other side.
Okay.
Matthew wants to rev it so we can listen to it and not yell. Yeah, see, that sounds so much better. Rev it! Yeah, see? That's way better. Alright.
Yeah, like, let me show them. I'm not even I'm stepping on it that hard.
I know. It sounds good back there.
Like, look, I'm not even stepping on it.
Yeah, compared to the way before, yeah.
Like I'm just tapping you with my foot.
All right. So drove it around a little bit. There's no check-in light. There's nothing to it. That thing is ready to go. So tomorrow I'm gonna clean it all up, get some pictures of it, and we're gonna list it. I'm excited. I already looked up what the value is going for, and I'm gonna list it for a 3-year offer. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. The next one's gonna be cleaning up, and then we're gonna take this up to Chris and have him look at it.